Kid Nation, what's going on, man? It's your boy Emmanuel King, and today you see in the title, I'm gonna show you guys how to get the perfect R&B vocals with the combination of Melodyne and Autotune. Stay tuned, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button. We a movement, boy. Let's get it. All right, you guys. So if you can divert your attention over to the screen, you see that this is the exact same song as we used in last video. And so I wanted to go ahead and use this as an example because when I first started engineering, I had no idea how to fix this problem. Okay, I am a vocalist as well, so I know how to sing somewhat, right? Quote unquote somewhat. And I would sing in key essentially for the most part, but there would be certain parts of songs where I would just completely go flat or I'll go completely sharp, and I didn't know how to fix it. Remember when I said before, when I said if you apply Autotune, if you sing horribly, Autotune isn't going to fix you? Because it's not. Autotune doesn't do that. The mechanics within Autotune is enabled to be able to grab those transients of that pitch, grab the audio waveform of that pitch, and put it to the closest that it possibly can whenever you detect a key, whenever it detects a key within the software. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'll bring it up right now. So what I have for this song is that it's set to E minor. Okay, that is the key of the song. Now, Autotune is only going to allow it to do what you're able to allow it to do. So if I set the key to D major, right? Now keep in mind, this singer is not singing in D major, but Autotune is just going to do what it does so that it can take those notes that she's trying to sing and pair it comparatively to the scale of D major. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. When it's over, baby, what you need. So that's actually kind of very similar to the scale that I had before in E minor. So let's do something different. Let's do F major. When it's over, baby, what you need me. Okay, so you see that that's not the key of the song. We have it in F major. Autotune is going to take the notes that she's singing and they're going to transpose it to the best key they see fit, which is what I have it set to. Okay, but the key that we have is E minor. So we're gonna go right back to E minor, and we know that this is the scale and this is the key that she's singing it in, because as R&B vocalists, we know to stay in pitch and stay in key whenever we're singing the song. R&B vocalists, or I guess I should say poser vocalists, they don't know how to do that. They say they do, but they don't really know how to do that. They can't really sing like that. You feel me? R&B vocalists really know how to sing. Don't get it twisted. When it's over, baby, what you need me. Okay, so do you see that? Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Now, at that me, she went flat. Now, I'm thinking, how do I fix this? How do we fix this part? I have no idea what I can do to fix this part, because even if I turn the retune speed all the way up, that doesn't fix anything. When it's over, baby, what you need me. So that doesn't necessarily work, right? Okay, well, then let's try to bypass one of these notes and see if that works. When it's over, baby, what you need me. Okay, so what we see is that it kind of ended on B here. So let's bypass it and see what that does. When it's over, baby, what you need me. Didn't work either. So now how do we fix this? We do this with graph mode. But there's no graph mode on here, King. What are you talking about? Yeah, I know, because I was being cheap. This is Autotune EFX, and I don't know what version this is specifically, but graph mode is not it's not accessible with this Autotune that I purchased. So we've got to go over to Melodyne to fix this specific situation. What the heck? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh man. All right. It just oh okay, y'all. I don't know what just happened. My my software just crashed out of nowhere. So let me open this right back up and let's get back to it, man. Hold on. Like cue keep TV distortion or something, fam. All right, y'all, we are back. I don't know what happened to my computer, but let's go ahead and get right back into this, man. So we have the vocal right here. We're going to press transfer and detect the audio signal. Melodyne is going to detect the audio signal, and we are going to change the pitch. So let's go ahead and get into it.
When it's over, baby, would you need me?
All right, cool. So, and I don't know what I had going on here that kind of sounded off. Let's check this out because I still had this in E minor. So that was the situation there. All right, good to know. So, let's go ahead and look over it, and actually let's mute this real fast.
When it's over, baby, would you need me?
Okay, cool. So we went ahead and it detected the audio signal, right, and the pitch of it. And let's go ahead and go over the top and see what we've got here. So we've got your this is the split tool, and I don't know why it's not showing it right now, but that's the split tool. This is your amplitude. So if you want to of course amplify the audio signal, there it goes. That's the amplitude. If you want to amplify the audio signal, this is your time. We're not going to be messing with that today. This is your format tool, your pitch tool, and then of course your mouse, right? Your main tool. So we just want to alter the pitch. And what do we hear that was wrong with the pitch? It's that me part, and I am out of focus. What's going on, camera? Come on, man. See me. Can you see me? Can you see what's going on? Come on, camera. I'm out of focus. There we go. All right, now let's go ahead, man. This has been some technical difficulties going on with this video. We're gonna go ahead and pitch this down so that you guys see what's going on here. And I like how if you click on it and hold, it gives you the pitch, right? So we don't want that one. So let's hear this.
When it's over, baby, would you need me?
That actually sounds good, but that's not what we're aiming for, okay? We want to get a little bit higher. So let's try this one.
When it's over, baby, would you need me?
There we are, man. There we are. So let's go ahead and play it with this vocal, and let's see what we got.
When it's over, baby, would you need me?
And that is how you get the perfect R&B vocal, man. I'm so sorry, you guys, again, for the technical difficulties. I don't know what's going on with this computer. Maybe I got to upgrade. Nah, I'm not going to do that because we don't got enough bread to do that. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, man. And if you guys got any questions, please comment down below. And I said this before, I need to do it. I don't know why I'm not doing it. I promise I'm going to do it on this one, though. I absolutely promise. I will put the song in the description so that you guys can check it out. If you got any questions, DM me. If you want mixing and mastering services, please, serious inquiries only, hit me up in the email that's in the description. I love y'all. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Gang.